Dear students, previous classes we will discuss about the plant growth promoters, that is auxins, gibberellins and cytokinins, as well as completed in plant growth inhibitors, that is abscisic acid, short form ABA. Today we are going to discuss about the another plant growth inhibitor, that is ethylene. The molecular formula C2H4. C2H4. What are the physiological effects of ethylene? And ethylenes are useful to in agriculture and horticulture. So now let us first one. Ethylene is a simple gaseous PGR. Ethylene is a simple gaseous plant growth regulator. Auxin is a indole compound. Gibberellin is a terpenes. Cytokinins is a adenine compounds. Abscisic acid is a carotenoid. But ethylene is a simple gaseous plant growth regulator or plant growth inhibitor. Ethylene promotes is always senescence and abscission of plant organs, especially leaves and flowers. Is always to be delay of senescence and fall of abscission to be controlling by ethylene. Ethylene promotes senescence and abscission of plant organs, especially in which plant organs? Such as leaves and flowers. Ethylene is effective on plants including horizontal growth of seedlings. Horizontal. This is a seed and horizontal growth of seedling. Okay, now horizontal growth of seedling. First effect are here. Ethylene is effect on plants including first one horizontal growth of seedlings and swelling of the axis, plant body axis, and apical hook formation on especially dicotyledon seed plants. This is phenomenon to be undergoes ethylene. Once again, ethylene is also effective on plants including horizontal growth of seedlings and swelling of the axis and apical hook formation. This phenomenon is created by ethylene. Okay, now next coming to ethylene is highly effective in fruit ripening. Ethylene is mainly effective in fruit ripening. Auxins is also apical dominance. Gibberellins is also bolting. Cytokinins is also cell division, cell enlargement or over apical dominance. Abscisic acid is also seed germination. But ethylene is highly effective in fruit ripening. This is a very important character feature are here. Fruit ripening is caused by ethylene. Next coming to enhances the respiration rate during ripening fruits. Thus rise in the rate of respiration, that is called respiratory climactic. So it enhances the respiration rate increase during the ripening fruits. Y means thus rise in the respiration rate. Thus rise in the rate of respiration. That is called respiratory climatic. That is called respiratory climatic. All ripening fruits containing the rise of the rate of respiration. The rise of the rate of respiration. Respiratory climatic are seen in ripening fruits is caused ethylene. Is caused ethylene. Okay now. It enhances the respiration rate during ripening fruits. Thus rise in the rate of respiration. Thus rise in the rate of respiration. That is called respiratory climatic. This is very important character feature are here. Fruit ripening as well as respiratory climatic. Okay now, clearly understood. Next, coming to another important character feature are here. Ethylene breaks seed and bud dormancy. Seed and bud dormancy. Seed is always not germinated to be undergoes certain favorable, unfavorable conditions. Bud is also, bud comes to after flowering, but bud is always budding stage. Why to be not supported to be under favorable conditions? Under favorable conditions. Ethylene breaks seed and bud dormancy, initiate germination of peanut seeds and sprouting of potato tubers. Sprouting of potato tubers. The peanut seeds and sprouting of potato tubers is always breaking of the dormancy. Breaking of the dormancy. Why? Because so these peanut buds and sprouting of potato tubers containing ethylene PCR. Ethylene PCR. Okay now, next coming to ethylene promotes rapid internode pistule elongation in deep water rice plants. Ethylene mainly promotes rapid internode. Internode containing several cells. These cells is always divided to be always elongated. That is rapid internode and pistule elongation. Larger size of the pistule, not smaller size of the pistule, larger size of the pistule in deep water rice plants, especially in deep water rice plants. Okay now, ethylene promotes rapid internode pistule elongation in deep water rice plants. So this is always helping in leaves and aerial parts of the shoots to remain above the water. In which parts? Elongation of pistule elongation and rapid internode is always to be used. The leaves and aerial parts of the leaves, aerial parts of the shoots is always to remain above the water. That is the importance. Ethylene promotes rapid internode pistule elongation in deep water rice plants, thus help in leaves and aerial parts of the shoots to remain above the water. Next, coming to ethylene also promote root growth. Ethylene also promote root development and root hair formation. Root hair formation and root growth is also to be involved ethylene hormone. Okay now, ethylene also promote root growth and root hair formation. So in this time, these helps in ethylene to be increasing of the absorption surface. Next, coming to ethylene is used to initiate flowering and for synchronizing fruit set up in pineapples. So ethylene is used to initiate flowering and these flowers all are grouped. all are together to be form a synchronizing fruit. To be form a synchronizing fruit. Several flowers are to be combined, are to be grouped after fertilization to be form a group of fruit or one complete fruit are to be developed. That is synchronizing fruit, especially seen in pineapples. Synchronizing fruit are seen in pineapple caused by ethylene hormone, affected by ethylene hormone. So ethylene plant growth regulators to be form of synchronizing fruits, especially in pineapples, Next coming to, it also induces flowering in mango. So ethylene is also induces flowering in a mango. Next coming to, the most widely used compound as a source of ethylene, that is ethaphone. Oxins are of natural oxins, synthetic oxins. Gibberellins are of more than 100 gibberellic acids. Cytokinins are of kinetin and zeatin. Abscisic acids are of inhibitor B, abscissin 2 and darmin. So ethylene is also to be ethaphone. Ethylene is also to be available in ethaphone. So this is a one volatile substances. Ethylene is a one volatile substances. So to be available in one activate substances, that is ethaphone. The most widely used compound as a source of ethylene, that is ethaphone. So what is the importance of ethaphone? Ethaphone is an aqueous solution. Ethaphone is an aqueous solution available in air. Okay, no? Ethaphone is an aqueous solution to be easily evaporate in the air. Ethaphone is an aqueous solution, is readily absorbed and transported within the plant and released ethylene slowly. Okay, no? Ethylene is also available in ethaphone. Ethaphone is an aqueous solution, is readily absorbed and easily transported within the plants. Then after to be released ethylene slowly release of ethylene. And next coming to, ethaphone ostens fruit ripening in tomato fruits and apple fruits, and accelerate abscission in flowers and fruits. Ethaphone ostens are also useful in accelerate abscission of tomato fruits, tomato flowers and apple fruits and apple flowers. And last one here, so ethylene is also promotes female flowers in cucumbers. Ethylene is also promote female flowers in cucumbers, but male flowers in cucumbers, that is cytokinins or gibberellins. Gibberellins is always promotes the male flowers in cucumbers, but ethylene is always promotes the female flowers in cucumbers. Don't confuse over here. Gibberellins is always promote the male flowers in cucumbers, that is cucumber. Ethylene is also promote the female flowers in cucumber. So there is by increasing the yield. That is the ethaphone. So this is about the plant growth regulators, such as plant growth promoters and plant growth inhibitors. Totally 5 groups of plant growth regulators are here, but broadly can be divided into 2 categories. The first one, plant growth promoters. The second one, plant growth inhibitors. Plant growth promoters are here 3 types: auxins, gibberellins, cytokinins. Plant growth inhibitors are here abscisic acid or abscisic acid, short form ABA, and ethylene. But here ethylene to be act of plant growth promoter and plant growth inhibitor. So this is a short notes on plant growth regulators. Okay, now this is about the ethylene. Thank you.